The cryptocurrency market is growing so fast, and one of the fastest growing digital assets that it is right now is Bitcoin. From the time it began to exhibit signs of potential growth in 2011, many experts have been predicting the fall of this world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Since Bitcoin is here to stay, you should start thinking about how you can get your hands on this precious digital currency. To do that, you will need to pick one of the best Bitcoin mining hardware that is available on the market right now. The only way of ensuring that those BTC find their way into your wallet is by selecting the best ASIC miner. With the changing levels of Bitcoin mining, some of the best Bitcoin mining hardware has also changed with time. Mining Bitcoins can only be profitable and fun if you have affordable electricity, the best Bitcoin mining hardware as well as an efficient Bitcoin mining machine. Certain areas' cheap electricity has made Bitcoin mining so competitive. As indicated earlier, the constantly shifting levels of Bitcoin mining has caused the change that has been witnessed in the market for Bitcoin mining hardware. This is how Bitcoin mining hardware have been changing over the years. Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, had intended for this cryptocurrency to be mined on CPUs. An ordinary PC would suffice in the early days of Bitcoin. But today, mining Bitcoin with a PC is not only impossible but also impractical. GPUs were the next available option for miners after noticing that the CPUs were becoming slower with each given day. They realized that the energy consumption of graphics cards was quite high, and so they could be used to mine Bitcoins. AMD GPUs are actually the best in this regard. The shift from CPU to GPU did not only change the mining speed but also maximized the energy consumption. The field programmable gate arrays became the next available solution. This is the main difference that exists between GPU and FPGA. Both has the best Bitcoin mining rigs. A 600 mAh/s hash rate GPU uses about 400 watts of power, while an 826 mAh/s hash rate FPGA consumes just 80 watts of power. Since it is now evidently impossible to use your computer as one of the best Bitcoin mining hardware, a specialized hardware known as ASIC miner can assist. The ASICs, an abbreviation for the application-specific integrated circuits, are what surpass the graphics cards. ASICs are the best Bitcoin mining hardware that any serious Bitcoin miner should look for. This is just a quick summary. For the full article, please visit the link below to 5reviewed.com. Please subscribe to our channel and like our video.